If you love cooking, then making your own chicken stock is one of the most economical things you can do in your kitchen. I save chicken parts in my freezer that don't get used in recipes, mostly necks and backs, but you can use your leftover Thanksgiving turkey carcass. I always use a basic mirepoix, which is celery, onions, and carrots. I also like to add garlic cloves, parsley stems, a few peppercorns, and some bay leaves. Always start your stock using cold water, enough so that everything is just covered, and you don't want to add any salt at all. Start off with high heat and bring it down to a simmer when it comes to a boil, and don't stir it. You're going to notice the scum forming on the top. That's perfectly normal. Just skim it away every time you see it. And after 3 to 4 hours, you'll be left with this full-bodied, intensely flavored golden chicken stock, just waiting for your next recipe. Straining it can be a little bit of a task, but it's going to be worth it in the end, I promise. If you're going to use it within the week, store it in mason jars in your fridge. Otherwise, if you want to freeze it, make sure to use plastic containers. Whatever you do, you made your own chicken stock, and your cooking game just got higher.